going to show you how to edit your pictures. So there's added white space on the bottom, which will bump your text down on your WordPress blogs and make it look better. So first you go to pixlr.com, Pixlr.com. You don't actually have to sign up. You can go right from the browser. You go down to Pixlr Editor and Launch Web App. So we're going to click on that. The first thing we want to do is open an image from the computer. So we're going to click on that. And we're going to find the Alp logo and open that up. And as you can see, there's no extra space underneath changing lives through literacy. So we're going to add some. So we're going to go to the image. And there's image size and canvas size. Image size is how big the image is itself. Canvas size is how big the canvas it lies on is. We want to change the image size so all of them are consistent width. And that way if you add the same amount of white space under all of your images, it will be consistent as to how far down it bumps the text. So we're going to check your image size. We're going to make a standard image size of 325 wide. Now this is constrained proportions, so it will proportionally resize that. The reason I'm using 325 is your Travisa ad had 325, and so we'll keep it consistent with that. And then we click on OK. So now the size of this image, you can see by the scroller bars, is a little bit bigger. And let's stretch this out so we can see the whole thing. Now what we need to do is change the canvas size. We want to make it longer but keep the width consistent. So we're going to go to canvas size. Now this shows where your image is on that canvas. We want it at the top in the center. Now we're not actually changing the width side to side, so centering doesn't matter, it will be in the same place. But what we're going to do is add 30 more pixels just to the bottom. And since this floats at the top, we only need to change the height now. So we've got 321, we will make that 351. Whoops. If I type that correctly, there we go, and click OK. And now you can see there's more white space at the bottom. We go to File, we go to Save, and we're going to put REV at the end so we know that this is the revised version, and we'll say OK. And there it's showing it. It's going to save it to my desktop. Now, in order to use that, we'll go to your Edit Post. So we're Teach English in Alaska. You scroll down to Featured Image. We're going to remove the featured image. We're going to set the featured image. And then we're going to upload a file. Going to select File. Date Modified. We want the most recent one. Alp logo REV. And we click on that. It's already selected. Set featured image. And there we go. We've got the one that's longer. And then we're going to update. Update, update. Then we're going to preview the changes. Although this doesn't show your main page, so let's go to your home page. And there you go. Teach English in Alaska is spaced down from that. Now if you don't like that amount of space, you can change it. Instead of adding 30, you could add 35 or 40 pixels until you find an amount you like. Now in order to make it consistent, you need to make sure that there is not white space built into your image underneath the letters. So you want to have those cropped pretty closely, and then you add your 30 and it will be consistent. And that's all there is to it.